Hi, welcome back. So today we are going to have a parent to solve this assumption question for us. I'm excited to see how he does. Are we ready? Let's go.
Iron Man made 21 gadgets and masks for 3,340. So this is the total, and this is the total. It cost him 190 to make each gadget. Okay, so this is for gadget. And 140 to make each mask. So this is for mask. How many masks did he make? Okay, so I think I can solve this using the assumption method. So if I'm trying to find mass, I need to assume the opposite. So assume all are opposite, which is gadgets. Okay, so then 21 gadgets multiplied by the price of gadget, which is here. Then I get 190. 190. So 21 multiplied by 190. Let me check. 21 multiplied by 190. So it's 3990. Okay, so then I find what is the big gap. So big gap equals to 3990 minus 3340. Okay, minus 3340, I get 650. Okay. All right, then teacher say that I need to find what is the small gap. So small gap is between these two. So small gap is equals to 190 minus 140 is 50. Okay, then I find what is the difference. So difference will be big gap over small gap. Big over small is 650 over 50. Then I get 13. Right. Okay. 13. Okay. So then, so he made 13 masks. Okay. All right. I hope I get this correct and I don't fail the teacher. Okay. Let me frame this up just like how we do it. Okay. All right.
Yay! Now we've got the parent solution. Let us check his solution to see if it's correct. Now he said that there is 13 masks, so I'm going to do a bit of checking. I'm going to write 13 masks multiplied by $140 because that is the price of one mask. Okay, so I'll take 13 multiplied by 140. 13 times 140, I have $1,820. So this is the price of all my masks. Okay. Next, since I have 13 masks, I will have 8 gadgets because 21 minus 13 is 8. So I'll take 8 multiplied by the price of a gadget is $190. 190 equals to 8 times 190 is 1,520. So this is for the gadgets. So now I need to add up to see if it works out to be 3,340. Okay, I'm going to just use a calculator to check. So 1520 plus 1820. Oh, great. 3,340. So you notice that it coincides with the question, which means that his answer is correct. Okay, so well done. Keep up the good work. See you. Bye.